Who you making that for?
For me.
No. You making this for the little thing down to that picture.
Shut up. What's up, beautiful people of the universe? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I meal prep. So I only meal prep 3 days at a time. That is because I only meal prep when I have to go to work. So I am an RN. I work at the hospital. I also work night shifts, 12 hours. So when I come home, I like to come home, go to bed, get back up, and go to work and make sure my body is nourished at the same time. So with that being said, I only meal prep when I go to work just to save time, energy, and money too. Kinda, sorta. Food is expensive. But anyways, today's Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I have to go to work. So I have jotted down the things that I will be cooking. I brought this little weekly meal menu planner from Aldi's a few months ago. I barely use it, as you can see. I said a few months ago, and this is for each week. So you see, I barely use it. And I need to start using it more because it's actually helpful, especially when you kind of want to write down. First of all, you write down what you want to eat, and then also has the grocery list on the side. That way you don't forget anything. So I like that, because it helps you plan better instead of you thinking you got everything. You start cooking and you realize you're missing some ingredients. So it's not, yeah, y'all get the gist. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I mean, I probably already did a whole lot of talking. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this video started and show you guys what I cook. And hopefully this will help somebody out there. This is not necessarily to say this is how you should eat for the next 3 days. You should eat these exact meals and this will help you lose weight or help you gain muscle. No, this is just like a meal meal inspiration video, if that makes sense. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy, and you can stare at it, if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy, and you can stare at it, if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty, and if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. Oh, I don't leave it out again. No question that this girl's intent. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I walk my tongue the way I trip. It's like my thoughts, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Then they love to hate, but all the bad model girls, they love to date. You need to check my swag, get up to date. Check my swag, get up to date. Cause when we cut, I'm razor blader. I'm so laser, I'm so major, I'm so flavor, baby, I should have a clock dome.
So picture perfect, the 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface, it was more than just a crooked smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture 3 crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment, I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me. For niggas violated, they chased and they raped me, even though it wasn't me. I could feel the grief thinking with your brains blown, that will make the pain go no. You gotta find a way to survive, cause they win when your soul dies. Baby, please don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up, head up, head up.
Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I wanted to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I wanted to know your name.
child of mine. I wonder if you have to suffer for your father's crimes. To be honest, it's a hard road. Just keep your faith in God, knowing you're scarred though. Look at him walking and talking, a little child with my eyes and mouth. Father, watch over little seeds, help me guide them out. Had to change my whole lifestyle. Married my baby's mama, made her my wife now. I'm trying hard, y'all. Maybe in time I'll be a better man. Watching the older couples handle it like veterans. Show me the meaning of forever, and together we rise. If it would help our child grow, then together we die. Why? Question my love, it's so easy to see. Without my family, all I'm left with is a shadow of me. After all the arguments and the nights alone, now it's time to live a good life, good life.
Beyonce and that lingerie on that Chardonnay, going touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm billionaire rich like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no, we escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round in it, flossing on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. So good tonight. Goddamn. I wake up looking this good. And I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight.